Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand that what are comparison operators. So if we talk about relational operators, which we have studied earlier also. So what are my relational operators? Relational operators are is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, etc. Basically, those relational operators are known as comparison operators, because relational operators are also used to check the relationship between two expressions or two strings or two variables. Similarly, we can say that comparison operators are used to compare two operands, two expressions, or two strings together. So let us understand all comparison operators one by one. So we are going to start with one example where we are taking two strings to compare. So str1 is holding two characters py and str2 is holding Python word. So let's start. First operator is equal to. It is denoted with double is equal to sign, because as we know that single is equal to sign indicates an assignment operator. So if we are writing double is equal to sign, that means we are comparing the expressions which are written at left hand side and right hand side. So if we are checking str1 is equal to str2 or not, then I can either get the answer in false or in true. That means I will always get the result in Boolean value. So let's check it. I am getting the result as false. Why? Because if we compare these two strings are not matching. Although the first two characters of str1 are matching with the first two characters of str2, but str2 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of characters and str1 is containing only 2 characters. So both the strings are not equal. Second, not equal to, and it is denoted with this sign exclamatory and is equal to. So if we compare str1 is not equal to str2, then I'll get the result in true, because both the strings are not equivalent. Next, greater than. So now we are going to check that which one string is the greatest one. So it is denoted with this greater than sign. And if we compare str1 is greater than str2, then we are getting the result as false, because my str1 is containing 2 number of characters and str2 is containing 6 number of characters. Next is less than. It is denoted with this particular sign. And if we check str1 is less than str2, I will definitely get the result in true, because yes, of course, it is containing 2 number of characters and str2 is containing 6 number of characters. And why are we checking the number of characters? Because both the characters of str1 are similar to the first two characters of str2. Next. So greater than equal to. It is denoted with greater than and is equal to sign. That means either the string can be greater than another string or it can be equal to. So if we check str1 is greater than equal to str2 or not, I'll get the result as false, because it is neither equal to nor greater than. Next, less than equal to. It is denoted with less than sign along with is equal to. So if we check str1 is less than equal to str2, I will definitely get the result in true. Why? Although both the strings are not equal, but str1 is lesser than str2. So either of the operation becomes true, I will get the result in true. So these are my comparison operators through which I can compare one string with another string in the sequence. So let us understand each and every operator with the help of an example. So I'm going to take over here str1 is equal to hello and str2 is equal to small hello, right? Now what is the difference between these two strings? As we have discussed another example, now we are going to discuss some other things over here. Like, we always know that the ASCII codes for the capital ABCD and ASCII codes for the small ABCD are different. So if we say that capital A to capital Z ASCII codes are 65 to 90 in range, and ASCII codes for small a to small z are 97 to 122. So my hello is written with capital H in the starting in str1, and this hello is written with small h in the starting in str2. So capital H is smaller than small h according to my ASCII codes in the computer. So if I compare str1 is greater than str2, I will get the result in false. But yes, if I say str1 is less than str2, I will get true. So in these terms also we can check the greater or lesser string here. Now if I write str1 is equal to str2, I'll get the result in false. But yes, if I'll check in opposite terms that str1 is not equal to str2, of course I'll get the result in true. That yes, both the strings are not equal. Similarly, if I say str1 is equal to this and str2 is equal to this, that means both the strings are equal. And if I put this statement over here, str1 is equal to str2, I will get the result in true. And in opposite, if I say str1 is not equal to str2, then I will get the result in false. Why? Because both the strings are equal. Similarly, I'm going to make a small change over here in hello. So I'm going to write str2 is equal to hello, right? So now my str1 is containing 5 number of characters and my str2 is containing 6 number of characters. And if we compare these two strings manually, then first 5 characters of str1 and first 5 characters of str2 are matching with each other. There is no difference. Where is the difference? That str2 is containing one more extra character, that is z. So now if I check the equality, what will I get? False. Similarly, if I say str1 is greater than str2, false. But str1 is lesser than str2, true. Because str1 is containing 5 number of characters and str2 is containing 6 number of characters. So basically how my comparison is taking place. My interpreter is first comparing the first character in both the strings. So H is equal to H, then interpreter will move on to the second one. E is equal to E, then third character, then fourth character, and then fifth character. After fifth character, interpreter is not getting any more characters in str1, but yes, it is getting one more character in str2. And that is why str1 is lesser than str2. So this is how we compare the strings. And generally we use these comparison operators in our program also. Like I need to find any substring into a given string. So I will make a comparison in terms of comparison operator. That whether this string is matching with another string or not. Whether it is equal to another string or not. Whether it is not equal to another string or is equal to or greater than or lesser than another string. So multiple types of comparison I can make. So we can take one more example over here. Like I have set one password and now I want to check that whether the password entered by the user is matching with the existing password or not. So let us take an example. I am taking password is equal to admin. So this is my password and now I am going to guess it. So guess is equal to input, enter your password, right? So now I'm going to enter the password. Let's say I'm writing admin. Okay. So I have made a difference in my first character only, that the existing password is containing small a in the admin, but the new password which I have entered is containing capital A in the admin. Now I am going to make a comparison. If password is not equal to guess, then what should be printed? Wrong password. Else what should be printed? and I'll get the result in wrong password because my this admin is not matching with this particular admin. I can make it again, like I'm running this statement again and I'm going to give admin. So this time I have given the admin which is existing password, and after that I'm putting a check on it in this way, so I'll get the result in success because this time my admin password is matching with my existing password in the sequence. So my else statement is going to be executed over here, and as you can see we are using not equal to comparison operator over here. So this is the benefit of using comparison operator so that we can get the desired output. So I guess this is enough for the day. We have learned or understood all the comparison operators, that how can we use them, how can we utilize them, and it depends upon the user's choice also, and according to the situation and the requirement of the program, that how a person is going to use it. So I guess the concept is pretty clear to everyone, and this is enough for the day. Keep watching, keep practicing. I will come with more information in my next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.